Record a narration. If you are creating a presentation that people will view on their own machines rather than at a speaker-led meeting, or if you are archiving a presentation and want to include the speaker's comments, you can add narration to the presentation. Here are the steps for recording a narration. Go to the slideshow. Move the mouse pointer to the Setup group. Click Record Narration. The Record Narration box appears. Make sure that Link Narrations in the box is unchecked. Click Change Quality to adjust the sound. The Sound Selection box appears. In the Attributes field, use the drop-down menu to select 16,000 kHz 8-bit mono. Click on the OK button. Click Set Microphone Level to test your microphone before recording. The microphone dialog box appears. Use the slider bar to adjust the volume so that you can hear it at an appropriate level. Click on the OK button. In the Record Narration box, click the OK button to start recording. The slideshow will begin. Speak into the microphone to record your voice. When the slideshow is done, the screen turns black. Click again. A box appears telling you that your narrations have been saved. The box also asks if you would like to save the slide timings as well. Click on Save. Your presentation will be saved with the timing for each slide. Slides will remain on the screen for the indicated time and then will advance to the next slide. This works well if you want your presentation to cycle through without a user having to click to advance each slide. Package a presentation. PowerPoint automates the process of gathering all aspects of your presentation necessary for running your slideshow, including fonts, multimedia, linked content, and the PowerPoint viewer. To package your presentation for CD, here are the steps. Go to the Office button. Choose Publish. From the submenu, select Package for CD. In the Package for CD dialog box, click the Options button. The Options dialog box is opened. Choose the Viewer package type. This is the default type, which includes the PowerPoint viewer and allows you to specify how the presentation will be played when the recipient inserts the CD. The other option is Archive Package, which will exclude the viewer and only package the presentation itself. If you have linked any files to your slideshow, such as audio files, click the Linked Files checkbox. Check the Embedded TrueType Fonts checkbox to make sure that the text will display properly on another computer. Finally, click the OK button. Click on Copy to Folder. The Copy to Folder dialog box appears. Enter the folder name that you want to use. Choose your destination folder with the help of the Browse button. Click on the OK button. If you linked your files to your slideshow, a confirmation box will appear verifying you trust the content. Click the Yes button. PowerPoint will then copy the necessary files to the desired folder. Once this is completed, click on the Close button. You can now use CD burning software to make your presentation CD, using the folder that was created in PowerPoint.